Yo, 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 yo. Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. We're taking a break from the garlic bread series. We'll go back to that. Today we're going back to the sourdough toast. It's a really quick recipe. If you prep stuff before, it'll only take a couple minutes. And you know me, I like quick recipes. So we have that sourdough toast. If you watch the previous videos, you'll see how to do that. It's easy. We have an egg, tomatoes, lettuce, mayonnaise, using a real good quality mayonnaise, and black pepper. We're gonna start by taking our mayonnaise, and we're gonna spread that on our toast. And like I said, this one's a really quick recipe, and you can eat it for breakfast or lunch. Alright, so you can see that we have the mayonnaise down there. You can actually load this in any preference you want. We're going to put lettuce down here. And basically this is the BLT. So then we got that lettuce down there. If you want, you can put more mayonnaise on there. Then we're going to take sliced tomato and put on there. And with me, I love mayonnaise. So just put some more mayonnaise on there and spread it. Alright, so you have that mayonnaise on there. Now you're going to want to take some bacon and put some bacon across there. And the next thing we're going to do is take the egg and we're going to smash it on there. If it has yolk, it'll be good, because then it'll break all over. Alright, so the thing you're going to want to do is, we got that on there. Throw a little pepper on there, and then take your egg, and we're gonna break this, and then we'll just spread it apart. It's gonna be hard to get this flat because the sandwich is pretty big. So just split that egg, and let's see what happens. All right, YouTube and Facebooks, we cut that. Unfortunately, it wasn't running. If you want it, like I cooked that for 6 minutes, that egg. Maybe with your stove, cook it for 5 minutes, and then the yolk will just break out and go all over. But this is still good. But look at this. This is how you can take different types of toasts and make good creations out of this. So this is a bacon, lettuce, and tomato with egg, sourdough, garlic toast. So thanks for visiting my channel. This is Friday's upload. I have another toast recipe for you, but I'm also going to go back to the garlic bread series. I have the weekend off, and I want to make other creations, so I'll see you with that. So there's another look at it, and that thing just looks incredible. And like I said, with food, it's all about creation. So thanks for visiting my channel. It's Friday. You have a good weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Peace. Dansoy.